I'm ugly.
You're ugly and what?
Square?
No, proud.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Good. Say it louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Louder.
I'm ugly and I'm proud. I am ugly and I'm proud. I'm ugly and I'm proud.
Is that what he calls it?
It's me again! Jenny, catch me if you can! Stop doing this, kitty. I can't do this all day.
Shut up!
Who did that? And now it's your turn. Who tickled me? Hope you didn't eat Taco Bell. I did!